Noreen, at totoo nga yung sinabi niyo kanina, napaka-exciting naman ng game na ito dahil sa do or die fact. Pero ang tanong, ang do or die fact ba ay nakakatulong ba sa laro or mas nakakasagabal sa psychologically dahil baka maunahan pa sila ng kaba o kaya ang tension? Ayon kay Coach Bob, mas nakaka-motivate itong fact na ito at alam nila na may good chance silang manalo. Hindi sila ang pinakamagaling na team pero proud si Coach Bob na sabihin na sila ang pinaka-improved na team. Kailangan lang mawala lahat ng personal distractions. Kung ang pag-usapan natin ulit ang chance at ang do or die fact, motivated rin daw si Coach Zen at gusto niya makita na kahit maliit ang chance kunin agad, may dahilan ng Diyos kung bakit sila andito. Motivated na rin sila pero sana alisin muna ang ibang players kung saan sila galing at isipin nila na Navy sila at gamitin lahat ng natutunan nila this past tournament dito sa laro na ito. Back to you, Noreen and Mosey.
Thanks, Bianca. Well, these two are two of the most experienced coaches and better players during their time, diba? If not the best, during their time. So, Noreen can attest to that. Napakagaling po nitong dalawang coaches natin maglaro. Siguro mga 80 pounds lighter. Pero sobra talaga. Napakagaling.
Well, you're right. You know, I was a fan of Bob Malena. Anyway, Micasa's official ball of the Shakey's V-League.
Talaga?
Sobrang taas tumalon.
So, tatlo kayo all in all, no? Noong time na yan. Tatlo. Mami niya, daddy niya sa Laka lang ko siya, Bob. Lagi kong kaasaran kasi yan eh. Pero, tama yung sinasabi ni Noreen. Yung nakikita mo na yung ulo sa taas ng net, di ba? Yung shoulders. Grabe, pumalo.
That's right. The PNP still with a comfortable lead dito. 12 serving 7.
Coach Bob also played for FEU.
Cruzada.
Oh, that got the line. So Cesar Cruzada gets the point.
8 serving 12.
Oh, that's going into the net. Yun yung mga unforced errors na ayaw mo makita in this game, in this all-important game.
But definitely, you know, tama rin yung when Bianca touched on yung point na yun, yung it's a do or die game. Is it?
It can be
negative or positive.
Tama.
Pero tayo as players, alam naman natin, it's positive kasi syempre gusto mo manalo. Arciano goes into the net. Prochina. Sangmuang. Concepcion. Serafica. Rosale. Sangmuang was there. Concepcion. Marciano. Oh, good dig.
Oh, nice shoot.
Susan. Concepcion. Back set. Yes.
A good decision there on the part of PNP for that back set of Concepcion. Giving it to Dave.
Hinintay ko, wala ko sinasabi.
Hey, Ikan.
Okay, sorry. Sorry.
Ay, nako. Joke lang yan, ha?
Oo naman.
Tagalog ang mga alam mo kami ni Noreen kasi magkalaban na kami no high school. I was playing for Marinol, my coach here on my left. and si Noreen, nakakalaban namin yan.
Diba,
for Ika. Hoy, Che.
Marciano with a kill.
Dami rin magagaling na nanggaling sa Ika na nakapag-varsity in college, no?
Siyempre, kailangan humble. Okay naman. Gretchen Ho.
Gretch, yeah. The most popular of them all.
Yep.
Maliban kay Noreen, of course.
Dekada, whatever. Well, going into the timeout, it's a 16-10 PNP.
Ako po, si Siuman Second Mikmik Laborte of Philippine Navy at kayo'y nanonood ng Shakey's V-League Open Conference.